So when should people be using AI prototyping tools?
All the time. They're amazing. They're magical. I've heard of so many use cases that you would not imagine. It's from closet companies like small family businesses building an editor to design their closets just so they don't do it in paper anymore and printing that, to my kids building a small platformer where they need to escape the farts of sheep. It's really is endless. And those are just like the cases where you say, I want something small and I can do it myself and I couldn't before. And nobody would build it before. But I think, again, the people that are going to use it daily, it's going to become their main tool of work, are PMs. Because they keep getting to the point where they want to create something and experiment with it more than anybody else. And also, they really know how to talk to developers and explain what they want. And basically what they got now is a virtual developer.
So when a PM is using it, why should they be using an AI prototyping tool, or when should they be using an AI prototyping tool versus Figma or Cursor's new visual editor?
You get something else from Figma and from vibe coding tools. You get an experience that is something that's more functional, that you can play around with, that you can put users in front of, and they can actually get the real experience. And it's not like functional prototypes or something totally new. We build them. We used to build them a lot in weeks for big features, for stuff that we really want to test out with users. We used to build them, but it was just a huge investment. Now, with AI, it's not a huge investment. It's the cheapest option, time-wise. It's the fastest way to get to something I can play with, it's something I can even look at. So it really changed it. If it's something that used to be very rare for really complex features, now there's no feature that goes through the ideation stage without at least a few functional prototypes. So every feature goes through this step. But it's really a matter of where to use it in the process, because you want it to come at the ideation step. You want to try out a number of new ideas. Sometimes you really don't want to give a spec, you just want to give an idea and see what the AI does. And maybe run that a few times and see what the AI does differently. Because first of all, it'll open your mind. It's super interesting. And it really lets you not just imagine it on a piece of paper and imagine how it is to play with it. It lets you play with all of these variations.
AI is writing code faster than ever, but can your testing keep up? TestCube is the Kubernetes native platform that scales testing at the pace of AI accelerated development. One dashboard, all your tools, full oversight. Run functional and load tests in minutes, not hours, across any framework, any environment. No vendor lock-in, no bottlenecks, just confidence that your AI-driven releases are tested, reliable, and ready to ship. TestCube, scale testing for the AI era. See more at testcube.io/Akash. That's testcube.io/AAKASH. I hope you enjoyed that short clip. You can check out the full episode here.